What's up, everyone? Welcome back, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so glad you guys are here, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing some laundry motivation, and as you guys know, that I like to start out with my bottoms and stuff first. So I do have everything already separated. So I'm just gonna start washing my jeans and shorts and stuff like that because they does take longer to dry. So I want to go ahead and get those out on the clothesline. And I did get up pretty early because I'm trying to beat the heat. So I want to go ahead and get them out. And it's supposed to be really hot today, which is a good thing because the clothes dry faster, but it's not a good thing for me. I want to go ahead and get those out. And I got about 5 or 6 loads today to do, so I need to kind of, be kind of fast with it today. So I hope this video give you guys some much needed motivation to get some laundry done. So go ahead and grab your basket, guys, and let's tackle this together. So I'm going to bring you guys over here. One of my subscribers wanted to know how my washer works. So it's very simple. All I do is load the clothes here, but just throwing them in here. And I know some washers have a little area on the side where you can put your laundry soap and fabric softener and bleach and stuff like that, but mine don't have it. So I just put mine in here on top of the clothes and stuff. But I like to turn the water on before I do that. That way the water can help spread it around and mix it up. So what I do is I come back here to my settings and I select the size of the load that I have in the inside in here. And today I have a large side, which would be super. So I'm going to put it on super here. Also, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select the cycle that I want to use. I have normal here, casual, and gentle wash. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to put it on warm here. And I'm going to open it back up. Hold on, let me get my bleach. Not my bleach, but my laundry soap up here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open it back up. And see, this is where my water comes out at. So what I'm going to do is pour my bleach in the top. Pour my bleach in the top. Like, ooh, I'm wasting it. Uh-oh. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this. And what I do is pour it inside right here where the water is falling at. And that's it, guys. That's all I do. And sometimes I just take my cup here and rinse it out. Get the rest of that soap out. And that's it. And then I just close the lid back down and let it go. So now I have half of that first load done. I do have to put some more jeans in there because I had a lot of them, guys. We haven't washed in a while. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out and start hanging those up. And I'm trying to get all the jeans and stuff out, the thicker things. So I do have my apron today, guys, with the clothespins down in my pocket area. So it did make it a whole lot easier. Because, typically I like to use my shirt as my little way to to clip my pins on. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much what I be doing the rest of the day. It did take me a long time today because I had a lot of clothes. So I hope you guys enjoy. All I want So now, guys, I have all the laundry done, everything washed and dry. I'm about to fold everything up. I did have to wait till the next day to start folding because it did get kind of late, putting the clothes out on the line, because I had several loads of clothes to do that with. So by the end of that last load, I was tired. I was extremely tired, and it got so hot outside. So I had to take a break and just do this the next day. And as you can tell, I had a lot of stuff. This is 3 full baskets, and I had to press everything down to get everything in these 3 baskets. So next time I'm gonna try to get to the laundry fast, quicker. Try not to let it build up so much because it was a lot of work putting everything on the line like that. Even if I took everything to the laundromat to dry them, it would have been a lot of work because those baskets they get heavy and it's hard to get them in and out the car. So next time I'm not gonna get this many. I'm not gonna let this many piled up. And I'm only gonna fold a little bit of them. I'm not gonna fold all of them because I'm gonna let the girls fold up some of their stuff so they can put it up like they want to. And some of their stuff they're gonna hang up anyways. So that's a big help. So if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below what you thought of today's video as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one.
Baby, you get You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.